All right, good night, YouTube. Um, this is the third update. I wanted to explain the reason why the um, the other reason why the vehicle, the engine, the 4G93 was not starting. Right. Um, I remember I explained the cam sensing cylinder. This is the crank sensing plate that goes to the bottom behind the crankshaft. Now this is the original one here. Alright, for the 4G93 GDI, they have two pins there, right? No, what happens is this goes on this, right? Now, unfortunately, the ECU I have does not understand this either. Now, what could be done besides changing this is being able to code in a different ignition into the ECU, and probably it will work with this. But I don't have that kind of tool. The diagnostic tools that you can use to code brains, but I don't have any equipment for that yet. So for now, what I'm going to do, I have a little machining to do. As I said, this is the original 4G93 GDI sensing plate, and if you notice, I'll turn it around. What was causing the backfiring is just that it was reading the timing wrong. This is the one it will work with. This is from a 4G18 single cam, right? As you all should know by now, I'm using a 4G93 single cam brain and harness, right? And I was using it to control a single cam 4G18. Right? This is a twin cam engine, so the original plates are a little different. So moving on, now I have to put back this. Right. Now, if you watch, if I was to try to line up this, also for the 4G18 has two small holes, but it goes like this. It would not line up because the diameter here is smaller than the original 4G93 one, and it will also have a locking pin area, right? But if you were to try to line them up according almost to the same pinhole, you'll notice that the timing is different. Right, the engine takes its timing from cylinder number 1. So when you try to line this up to top dead center, you'll get two different timings. Right, I'm trying to put it at all angles so you could see the difference. It's two different timings, right, at the crankshaft. So the idea now is to weld this in place like this. You have to open the hole a little bit more for the 4G93 crankshaft to fit through, but I'll just have to open this wider and kind of try to weld the plate down and see if I could get it start the engine. Right, so this is just what I wanted to explain about the sensing plate and what has to be done. Right, the 4G18 sensing plate will be a little different. It wouldn't fit. This is just smaller, right? So it's not just a replacement. You just plug and play. You have to do some machining. Open this hole here. I think I'll use a diamond bit and a drill, and open the hole, and then try to weld it back. But I'll try to do it back close to factory as possible. Right, so this is the one I have to be using. Unfortunately, trying to get back one from a 4G93 engine single cam is expensive. You'll have to buy the whole head-arm block. I went searching for it to the you couldn't get it. So I have to resort to, well, this one was bent from a vehicle that had bent valves. Right, so I have to try and straighten it back so it will be able to pass through the sensor. Also the updated what the sensor look like. Right, so yeah, this I'll just have to straighten up a little bit, and I'll have to, you know, modify it to work with this gear, then put it in. Right, so that's just the next move. Right, well, that's all for now. Until next time.